mga magulang at ng inyong principal sponsors. Hermenegildo Castro Russell, do you take this woman to be your lawfully wedded wife?
Yes, I do.
Do you promise to love her, honor her, comfort and keep her in sickness and in health as long as you both shall live?
Yes, I do.
Now, Rachel, I would like to ask you the following questions. Please answer truthfully and clearly the following questions. Rachel, do you take this man to be your lawfully wedded husband?
Yes, I do.
Do you promise to love him, comfort him, honor and keep him in sickness and in health as long as you both shall live?
Yes, I do.
At ngayon po naman ang aking katanungan na gusto kong sabay nilang sasagutin, kayo ba ay kapwa na mangako na anumang pagsubok, balakid, paghihirap ang pagdaanan ninyo bilang mag-asawa, kailanman ay hindi ninyo tatangkain ang panghiwalay? Response?